Hi everyone, it's Marisa from bumblebeeapothecary.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make pizza that is approved for the GAPS diet. It can be really fun to include something like pizza once in a while for a really fun treat or a special occasion. This is a really great option for somebody who's staying away from grains or needs something to be gluten-free. So let's jump right in, and I'm going to show you how to make pizza that is healthier and approved for the GAPS diet. I'm going to start by making the crust portion. I'm going to start with a large mixing bowl and a wooden spoon. The recipe that I'm making today is based off of one in this recipe, the Heal Your Gut cookbook. This is a great one with lots of different fantastic inspiration, and I recommend grabbing a copy. There'll be a link in the description box where you can get your own. So first I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of homemade coconut flour to my mixing bowl. This does need to be homemade coconut flour. Commercial coconut flour is way too full of fiber and very irritating on a healing gut, and it's not allowed on the GAPS diet. If you would like to know how to make your own homemade coconut flour, depending on the order of videos, I think by the time you're seeing this, I should already have a video up on how to make your own coconut flour. If not, it'll be coming very soon, so go ahead and look for that on my channel as well. Next, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of a softer type of animal fat. This could be lard or chicken fat or even ghee. I'm going to be using this bacon grease, so I'm just going to eyeball 1/2 cup.
A lot of bacon grease.
Next, I'm going to add 6 eggs. That'll be better.
Look, it's orange.
They're very orange, aren't they?
Oh.
Camera so people can see, okay? Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of the high quality mineral salt. This one is Baja Gold. Pretty good. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Just make sure that it's a good quality garlic powder that doesn't have any fillers or flow agents or starches or anything unallowed, just powdered garlic. Then I'm just going to mix everything all together well. I'm going to switch to a whisk for a little bit just to make sure that it's mixed really well with no lumps. Alright, you go ahead and mix. Next, I'm going to use a little ladle, or a large spoon would work too, and put some of the batter in about 4 to 5 inch circles on my pan that's lined with parchment paper. So we're making like little personal pizzas here.
Can I eat that pizza?
Yeah, when it's ready. Next, I'm going to go take these and bake them in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to flip them over and bake them for another 10 minutes. Once the pizzas are finished cooking on both sides, it's time for the fun part of adding all the toppings. I have some marinara sauce that I found that has just tomatoes and herbs, no sugar or anything like that. You could also make your own marinara sauce. You could also just use some tomato paste and some herbs, but I'm just going to start by putting a little bit of this sauce on each pizza. And then I also have some uncured natural pepperoni that I found that does not have sugar. It's kind of hard to find pepperoni without sugar, but I'll find some choices and link them below for all of these different ingredients so that you can have an easier time finding them. They're just about the size to get one pepperoni per pizza, huh?
Yeah. The pepperonis look yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
I'm gonna take my pepperoni off.
Oh, yeah. And then some cheese.
Mama, can I spoon the cheese?
So I'm going to be using this raw cheddar. It's white, so it looks like mozzarella, but it's cheddar, so it's allowed on gaps. This is a really nice one because it's just shredded cheese. You could, of course, get blocks and shred it yourself, but I like that this one doesn't add any flow agents or anti-fungal stuff or anything like that. It's just cheese. Next, we're just going to pop these back in the oven, still at 350 degrees, for 5 minutes until the cheese is nicely melted, and then they're ready to go. And now they're out of the oven again and they're ready to enjoy. So you can slice these into some little pieces with a pizza cutter.
Mama.
And they're delicious little personal pizzas that you can enjoy on gaps. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Check out that description box for links where to buy different ingredients. Also look for some free ebooks and other goodies. Be sure and also leave me a comment and let me know what videos you would like me to do. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with anybody else you think would like to know how to make healthy Gaps pizza. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I get out 2 new videos every week on nourishing recipes and natural living. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.